Emma, once feeling overwhelmed in her fast-paced life, decided to reconnect with nature for her transformative journey to health. She enrolled in various fitness retreats in serene forests and breathtaking landscapes, where she embraced activities from yoga to hiking. Throughout her adventure, she faced challenges like overcoming her fear of outdoor activities and setting personal goals that often felt out of reach. These emotional hurdles taught her invaluable lessons about resilience and self-acceptance. By the end of her retreats, she not only achieved her fitness goals but also fostered a deep love for the outdoors, forever changing her perspective on wellness.